Let's talk about castor oil and what it can do for your face. It's definitely nature's natural Botox. It's really stood the test of time and it's been around for thousands of years. Egyptians used it, the Romans used it, and many other civilizations used it for certain healing properties. Most importantly, should we be concerned about the toxin ricin in castor oil? It's actually 6,000 times more poisonous than cyanide. This compound is 12,000 times more poisonous than rattlesnake venom. Let's dive right in and talk about castor oil. It can give your skin that soft, glowing, elastic, and firm look. Whether you have these little fine wrinkles, bigger wrinkles, or dry skin, you need to use castor oil. The main phytochemical behind all these amazing effects is called ricinoleic acid. It's a deep penetrating moisturizer, kind of traps the water in there, and keeps you super hydrated. This is why a lot of people put this oil on their face at night, and then when they wake up in the morning, they're like, wow, my skin looks significantly different. You can also put this on your hair, and I'm going to show you how to apply it on the hair in a little bit, as well as on your scalp. If you have split ends or dried out hair, you can see a huge change very quickly. This plant-based chemical also has very powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Applying castor oil onto a face that's inflamed is a very effective remedy. Castor oil possesses strong antimicrobial properties, making it a natural solution for various skin issues. Your skin is home to a protective microbial ecosystem that guards against harmful pathogens. However, imbalances in this ecosystem can lead to the overgrowth of bacteria, yeast, or fungi, which often result in skin problems such as infections or acne. Rich in ricinoleic acid, castor oil helps restore this balance by targeting harmful microbes and reducing inflammation. Its soothing properties not only combat these overgrowths but also promote skin healing. This makes castor oil a highly effective and gentle option for maintaining clear, healthy skin. Castor oil also has a good amount of vitamin E. Vitamin E can give you protection against things like UV radiation and pollution. Some of the properties in castor oil can be used on a wound to heal it. It also has other properties like fading darker spots on the skin. This can overall give you a nice, even complexion. In castor oil, there's a vitamin A precursor, beta-carotene. You also have a good amount of magnesium and potassium. There's even some evidence suggesting that castor oil may help stimulate collagen synthesis, a crucial factor in maintaining youthful, firm, and elastic skin. Collagen is a structural protein that plays a significant role in reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin, making it an essential component of the anti-aging process. To maximize these benefits, applying castor oil to areas where the skin needs extra support is highly recommended. This includes acne scars, scars from stretch marks, surgical scars, or any other marks on the body. Regular application can help soften scar tissue, improve skin texture, and fade the appearance of discoloration, leaving the skin smoother and more even-toned. Rub a few drops into a scar for a period of maybe 30 seconds. As far as the potency of this anti-inflammatory effect, it can be comparable to something like ibuprofen. How do we apply it? A lot of people cut it with other oils, coconut oil, olive oil, and others. Some people don't cut it, they use it as is. One of the challenges with this oil is it's thick and a little bit sticky. You simply take a couple of drops, put it on your fingertips, and rub it into your face in areas that are dry, wrinkled, or irritated. You just apply a little bit more into those areas. If we're talking about a couple of drops, we're talking about like 3 cents a day to create these effects. I recommend applying this before you go to bed. When you wake up, it has a chance to really penetrate and soak into the tissues. I would be careful putting it around your abdomen or pelvis area if you are pregnant and not ready to deliver because it could induce labor. Another application is that some women use it to take off makeup from their face. They might mix it in with other types of lotions as a makeup remover as well, because it gives you some additional benefits. If you're going to put it in your hair, what I would recommend, especially if you have hair loss, is to rub it deep into the scalp. What it could potentially do is stimulate the growth of hair, especially if you have alopecia. I'd also put about 4 drops into your fingertips and run it through your entire hair before you go to bed. That way, when you wake up, you're going to notice that your hair is so hydrated. As far as the type of castor oil I would recommend, I would definitely spend the extra money for something cold-pressed, something without hexane. Hexane is used in a lot of seed oils to extract certain things. If you're consuming soy oil, canola, cottonseed, or corn oil, you're potentially getting some hexane. A lot of people use Jamaican black castor oil. It seems to have some amazing properties that are even better than regular castor oil. If you want to grow your eyelashes, castor oil is a great remedy. Just on a daily basis, rub a little bit into the roots of your eyelashes and watch things start to change in a positive way. Lastly, what about this toxin in castor oil? You don't have to worry about it. That specific toxin is eliminated in the production of this oil. The manufacturing companies that make this know about the poison, and it's tested to ensure there's no poison in there. Of course, if anyone is exposed to this toxin, unfortunately, there's not a simple antidote. You'd need to go to the hospital to see what they can do. If you consume certain amounts, which is not a lot, you have about 36 to 72 hours before it could be fatal. It's quite a paradox to have something so poisonous yet so therapeutic to many parts of your body. It's fascinating.